gang, holla gang. I know it's been a while, but I am here. Been a little busy, been working and trying to get this content for y'all. So I've been busy. Had a long week. But did y'all say holla with me? Let's do it again. Let's run it back. Holler! Did you say it with me? Hit that like button to let me know you said it. Holler! What is going on, holla gang? Well, holla gang, this video here is going to be, I'm bringing to you a lot of different content here. Been a little busy, so I'm going to give you a little something. We got delivery in here. We got, you will see. But we got a little something. I got a little treat for y'all. So, but right now I'm going to do a little demo of how to clean your windows, how I clean my windows. Like I told you, I use 2 rags, I use 2 towels, and my old sprayway aerosol window cleaner. But I'm gonna get on into this. Boom! Alright, I'm back. So this is it. Grab this first towel. What I normally do, this is a clean towel. I haven't did anything since I washed them. So fold it in half. Fold it in half again. What I normally do, hey, have something get on here. Got something in my little compartment. So what I normally do is I hold it here, Sprayway glass cleaner, sprayway glass cleaner. I always pick it up. Oh, by the way, I did just wash my car today on my way home, so it haven't been moved. So wet like that. Here, I got the towel right here. Side to side. That's it. No streaks. And it's clean, just like that. So I always keep them separate. So that way I know which one is which. And I just go around the car. Boom. So let me tell y'all, there's nothing better than having a clean car with clean windows. So when you do the outside, make sure you do the inside. So I know it's gonna be a little hard to see, but I hope y'all can see. And just do the same process as I do on the outside. I do it on the inside. Side to side. Y'all could probably see me doing it through the window. I know the tent it ain't that dark. Just a little bit. Side to side. Other. That's it. I clean my windows. But I'm gonna go around this car. I'll be right back. Holla back. I'm back with you. So we gonna slide around this car. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all cherry bomb in a minute. Let's go back through it for the new subscribers. What I have is the red, the silver, and the blue, which is the colors, the official Buick colors. Yes, it's a Buick. I put Buick on the rim right there. I painted my calipers red. That's an OEM nameplate of Enclave. I'm the only Buick with that on there. I also laid the forged carbon here and there. There's the, I don't mind that little dentage. That's a war wound from an out of town trip. Yeah, it's a war wound from an out of town trip. Where did we go? Went to St. Louis for a soccer game for my daughter, my oldest daughter, and went into the hotel, came back, had the dinner. They can't do nothing about it. There wasn't no cameras up there on the lot, so I'm living with it. And that's been a couple of years back now. But let's move on. Yeah. Holla back at you later. Go down the other side. Yeah. Same thing. Yeah. More forged carbon. There goes the Buick. The Enclave. There's the front. There go the Buick colors. There's the front. I haven't really did anything to the front just yet, but I would like to get red, silver, blue here, then, or I might do it on, actually I'm gonna do it on that side. I want it on this side, cause like BMW, theirs is on the driver's side. I'm gonna be a little different. I'm gonna do mine on the passenger side. So, let me go around the Hollermobile. Let me show you the Hollermobile. The Hollermobile is an older vehicle. It's an 08 Mercury Milan. I'm gonna show y'all why I call it the Hollermobile. But let's go around it. So we got holler in the front windshield. There's nothing special just yet. Holler in the rear window. Yep, there it is. If you don't know, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let your friends know that if they got a dirty car, get at me. I can help them keep it clean. And just a quick givey. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to clean the windows. Hollermobile is it's dirty, but I'm about to clean the windows and lay some new decals. But let me really show y'all why I call it the Hollermobile. Have to pop the trunk on y'all. Let me show y'all. Alright, I'm back. You ready? You ready? It's really nothing special, but yeah, that is a 12. It's a sundown pushed by a sundown 1500 class D. Yep, got 1500 watts going right there. But in this little car here, sounds pretty nice. But I'm gonna have to show y'all what it do another time. Cause I don't want to disturb my neighbors. But I'm gonna go ahead and lay these decals and I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm laying the last decal now. Yeah, here, let me show it to you. Only thing I gotta do is peel the template off, what holds the letters in place so you can lay it. I just decided to put it all around my car, all around the Hollermobile. Let y'all know. To holler at me. Get at me. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you got. Holla gang. I'm gonna let the beat roll. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. So, get at me. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Holla back. What's going on, gang? Thank you for watching. Holla at me whenever you see the Hollermobile. Hey, you can blow if you see Cherry Bomb. See me in these streets. Holla.